Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious beef stew recipe. Stay tuned. So for today's recipe, guys, I'll be using 2 pounds of beef chuck roast. All right, and then I'm gonna be adding my chicken seasoning. So we're gonna add about a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of Montreal steak seasoning, spicy. Just a teaspoon, not much. We gotta add some paprika, about a teaspoon as well. Add my garlic powder, which is a teaspoon. Black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper as well. Now you want to mix all these lovely, dry seasoning together. Make sure it's nicely seasoned. And now we're going to add some cooking oil to the pan, sear our beef, toss it in the pressure cooker, and then continue the cooking process. Stay tuned. Add your cooking oil. Then we're going to add our beef. And we're going to sear our beef until it's nice and brown. Stir it up for a few minutes, and once it becomes nice and brown, then we're going to drop it right in the pressure cooker. Add some water and let it cook for about 40 minutes. Yes, guys. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, this is what the beef is looking like, nice and brown. This is the color you're looking for. So at this point, we're going to add it to the pressure cooker. Add some water and let it pressure cook for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So it should be good. And then we're going to add a little bit of water. Alright guys, so I'll be using the same pot that I used earlier to sear my beef. Add a little bit of oil. And once your oil becomes nice and hot, then we're going to add our carrots, celery, and some onions. Drop it right in. And we're just going to stir it up until everything becomes caramelized. Then we're going to add a few other ingredients. So here, guys, I have my tomato, rosemary, sage, some bell peppers, fresh garlic, and some green onions. Smelling so good. Continue to stir it up just for a few more minutes. We're going to add a little bit of salt to this mixture. About a half teaspoon of salt. Stir it up. Now I'm going to add about a half stick of butter. Mix it up. Once the butter is fully melted, we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour. And the all-purpose flour is going to allow our sauce to become thick, nice and thick. Just keep stirring until it's melted. Looking good, looking good. Now we're going to add our flour. Stir it up. Now I'm gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Add about a tablespoon, about a teaspoon of soy sauce, keep stirring, and then we're gonna add our cooked beef with all that sauce, all that broth. We're just gonna bring this to a boil and let it simmer for a few more minutes. I'm also gonna add a little bit of heat to it, a little bit of habanero pepper. Yeah. Mix it up. It's gonna add a nice little flavor to it. Nice spiciness to it, you know? I'm also gonna add a little bit of brown sugar just to add a little sweetness to it, balance out the flavor. Ooh, looking nice and thick. Yes, guys, so after cooking my beef stew for about an hour, 45 minutes in the pressure cooker and another 15 minutes on the stove top. This is what it's looking like, nice and soft. The sauce is rich and nice, packed with a bunch of flavor. The only thing that's missing right now is like a nice plate of white rice. Oh my God. Wow. Yes, look at that. Yes, guys, we're at the end of the video, and I'm about to do a quick taste test. Cool it down a little bit. So good, guys. Nice and soft. Melts right in your mouth. Oh my God. This is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching my video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. Yes, guys, as you can see, new merch. New merch is on the way. Yeah, I just opened up my new website, sweetbellytees.com, for all your foodie inspired t-shirts, graphic tees, graphic hoodies, all foodie related. So go check me out, and I'll have the link in the description and also on the screen. Peace.